welcome back to another stream. Hope you guys are all hanging in there right now for Bitcoin and crypto. Tonight's stream, I do want to talk about Bitcoin because, guys, this is the time right now to go all in on Bitcoin, like 100%. Okay, going all in on Bitcoin right now, right? Like just sending it. Okay, because we know, guys, a bull is coming. If you simply want to make money with Bitcoin and crypto, right? If you want to make money in this market, you better get it now, because these prices that we are in fact seeing for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, and a lot more different altcoins out there in the market, right? These prices, they will change. There will be much higher in the next upcoming few weeks, because we know, guys, a parabolic movement is coming. Okay, and the prices will be much higher. Okay, so tonight's stream, I just want to make it chilled. I really just want to talk about Bitcoin mainly, of course, like always. And I'll talk about some other things as well. But guys, okay, listen, this is the time right now to go all in on Bitcoin right now, guys. Okay, this is a very crucial time right now to pretty much going all in on Bitcoin, dumping everything, every dollar you got, every cent you got into Bitcoin. This is obviously not financial advice, always doing research, but guys, listen, okay, this is a very crucial time right now, okay, to go all in on Bitcoin and crypto. If you want to make money, if you want to build wealth, okay, you better get in now. A bull run is coming, and I told you guys many times, right? Bitcoin is about to have a parabolic movement up to the upside. Bitcoin soon enough will be reaching new highs. And I told you guys many times, Bitcoin for the first time ever in history will be in the 6 figures, USD wise. Other currencies, right, like AED, yen, Bitcoin has already reached over $100,000, right? But for USD, for the first time ever, very soon, it's going to be in the 6 figures, right? So get ready for that. But guys, understand, okay, Bitcoin is about to reach new highs, $100,000 and above. So while Bitcoin is currently at what is Bitcoin trading at right now? $63,000. It's pumped today. Bitcoin early this morning has been looking pretty good, right? It did actually pump. I'll just quickly show you guys. But yeah, I just clearly see right here, okay, the Bitcoin chart. Early this morning, okay, I think yesterday, okay, we saw Bitcoin as low as $59,000. So it was actually below $60,000. It went all the way as low as $58,900. So just below 59K, right? And today, right, you just clearly see we did in fact see a V-shaped recovery, okay? And you just clearly see Bitcoin right now is currently at $63,000. So it's looking, much better today than where it was yesterday, right, for Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin is looking much better today than where it was yesterday. So understand, guys, okay, Bitcoin is still in the 60K level. I know a lot of us are probably sick of seeing Bitcoin at this level of $60,000, but understand, guys, not very long now, we're gonna see Bitcoin at this level of $60,000. Very soon, okay, it's gonna pump even higher. Okay, so understand, guys, get in now, right? This is the time to literally go all in right now on Bitcoin, okay, and crypto. Okay, if you really want to make money, okay, in this market, you better get in now, guys, especially long term, right? You want to invest into Bitcoin for long term. You don't just want to do it for short term. You simply want to do it for long term, right? So understand, okay, this is a very crucial time right now to get in, okay? Buy as much as you possibly can before we see Bitcoin breaking new highs, and we know, guys, very soon it will do that. Bitcoin will be in the 6 figures, right? 100K to 200K and beyond, even 300K and beyond is very possible. So understand, okay, we don't have a lot of time left, and this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. Okay, it truly is, guys. This is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity, okay, to buy Bitcoin below $100,000, to even buy Bitcoin below $70,000, right? Because soon enough, Bitcoin will be at 100K and beyond. Okay, and once we see Bitcoin reaching $100,000 and beyond, guys, we will probably never, ever again in Bitcoin history see Bitcoin below $100,000. So understand this is a very, very crucial time right now to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can. Okay, it really, really is, guys. This is the time to go all in. It really, really is. Okay, remember, guys, we are in fact in October. And I still believe, okay, we're still going to see a great month for Bitcoin. October is usually one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin, okay? And I truly do believe, okay, Bitcoin is still on track to do some amazing things in the next upcoming few weeks. Understand, guys, it's still early into this month. We are what? Just over a week into this month. Obviously, it's not a great start right now for Bitcoin, okay? But understand, we saw this last year in 2024 for Bitcoin, right? 2023 October wasn't a great start, but then the remaining few weeks of that month in October, Bitcoin bounced, right? It was up like almost 30%. So I really do believe, okay, we still have what, 3 weeks left, just less than 3 weeks left into this month. I still believe we're gonna see a October, okay? I still believe we're gonna see Bitcoin reaching at least $70,000 or higher, right? Even reaching a new high. I think that's very, very possible. So we will see about that. But I 100% do believe that we're still going to see a great month for this month of October, or the bullish months. And in general, guys, we are in fact in Q4, in a halving year. We know that means one thing, guys, right? A bull run is coming, right? So get ready for that, guys. And I really do hope you guys are truly ready for the next upcoming bull run. Okay, all these times, right, buying Bitcoin, being patient, okay, buying the dips while there was fear in the market, right, and most importantly, holding, all that's gonna finally pay off, guys. Understand, like, it doesn't feel like it right now, but I can tell you guys this right now, like, we are right at the beginning of a massive bull run. Like I said, it may not feel like it right now, but trust me, we are at the home stretch right now, okay? Soon enough, we're gonna see Bitcoin skyrocket. Bitcoin moves fast, guys, understand that. I don't know if you guys have ever experienced a bull run, but when we enter a bull run, understand, guys, when we enter a bull run, Bitcoin is not stopping for anybody. It is going up, okay? And obviously along the way, when we are in fact in a bull run, it's gonna have some dips along the way. It's gonna have some small corrections. That's just how it is, right? It's not gonna just shoot up. Understand that, guys. So obviously during a bull run, and of course throughout next year in 2025, when we are in fact, in a bull cycle, in a bull market, we're gonna see days and maybe even weeks where we see corrections back down to the downside. Understand, guys, corrections are actually healthy, right? It really, really is. So understand, guys, this is the time to go all in right now. Bitcoin right now is trading at $63,000 as I am streaming right now, 63K. And yes, soon enough that's gonna change, okay? I truly do believe, okay, like I said, when this month ends, we will most likely see Bitcoin above $70,000, even higher, right? We know Bitcoin's previous all-time highs was above $73,000, okay? And I do believe very, very soon, in the next few weeks, Bitcoin's about to break out of that and reach a new all-time high, right? Very, very soon. So understand, guys, this is the time to go all in on Bitcoin right now, okay? It truly, truly is, okay? I hope you guys are not, on the sidelines, waiting, timing the market and whatnot. This is the time to go all in right now on Bitcoin, okay? It really, really is, okay? And I know a lot of you guys want to, buy into altcoins because you guys want to, make more money and whatnot. I get that, right? The prices are lower, the market cap is low as well. But understand, guys, you need Bitcoin in your portfolio, okay? Bitcoin is a great store of value, okay? It has store of value. It's a great asset to invest in for long term, okay? It's a hedge against inflation, okay? A lot of people think Bitcoin is not a hedge against inflation, but it actually is, right? Because long term, Bitcoin is always shooting up. It's always reaching new highs. Every single time we enter a new bull cycle, a new bull market, Bitcoin always tends to reach a new all-time high. Every single time, right? 10 years ago, one Bitcoin was worth couple of hundreds of dollars. 10 years later, right, today, now it's worth tens and thousands of dollars. So if you really think about it, it's a great asset to invest in, especially for long term. So in a way, it is a hedge against inflation, right? So if you want to beat inflation, buy Bitcoin. And in general, guys, right, if you want stay away and beat inflation. And of course, if you guys want to become wealthy, the only way to become wealthy is obviously to, well, one of the ways, one of the major ways, and a lot of people, do this, right? You need this strategy is investing into assets, right? You need to invest. And there's a lot of assets, different asset classes that you guys can invest in, like index funds, right? S&P 500, bonds, right? Stock market, okay, stocks and whatnot, right? Crypto, Bitcoin, real estate is obviously a big one. Okay, so obviously, if you guys want to build wealth, you need to invest. You don't just want to save your money and just keep it in the bank. Okay, because obviously, if you just keep your money in the bank for years and years and years, even decades, because a lot of people do that, I highly recommend you guys don't do that, because your purchasing power will obviously be much lower because inflation, right? Everything's going more expensive. So you always want to invest, guys, right? Make your money work for you. And I really do believe, okay, one of the best assets, okay, to build wealth, okay, and have financial freedom, obviously in the future, right, is Bitcoin. Okay, I know it may sound crazy today, but trust me, guys, Bitcoin is a great asset to invest in for long term. Like, Bitcoin is honestly the best performing asset for the past 10 years. Like, name another asset that has been performing better than Bitcoin. Like, you really can't, right? Like, Bitcoin for the past 10 years has been absolutely amazing, and Bitcoin has only been around for over 15 years. And it's one of the most, if not the most best performing asset ever out there, right? So Bitcoin is a clear winner, guys. Go all in on Bitcoin, trust me. Because if you're not getting in now, if you're not taking action right now, if you're not buying into Bitcoin right now, trust me, you will FOMO in later. And in the future, right, because we know, guys, Bitcoin is the future of money. It's going to be the future of currency, right? In the future, people that didn't get into Bitcoin in the early stages like today, they're going to have to eventually just buy Bitcoin. Eventually. They're going to have to buy some Bitcoin eventually, right? If they're not taking action now, if they're not getting in now, right? So understand, guys, okay, we're still early into Bitcoin. People, a lot of people look at the price of Bitcoin and think it's too late, but honestly, it really, really isn't, okay? Because we know Bitcoin is a digital asset that will be worth not just $1 million, but millions of dollars one day. Of course, guys, I'm talking long term. I'm not talking short term, right? Understand, long term, we're gonna see Bitcoin worth millions of dollars per coin. This is why I've been telling guys to accumulate at least one full Bitcoin, because this one full Bitcoin, right, will make you very, very wealthy in the future. Okay, so understand this is a great time right now to buy as much as you possibly can. Even if Bitcoin reaches 100K and beyond, it's still a great time to DCA, guys, right? DCAing is obviously a great strategy to use, investing strategy. A lot of people have used this investing strategy and they have, obviously became very, very wealthy just by DCAing into an asset. So just simply DCA, guys, into Bitcoin, okay? Because I really do believe Bitcoin is one of the best long-term assets out there. But understand, guys, time is ticking, okay? The bull run is about to occur. We are in fact in October. I would not be surprised if in the next few weeks, if we do see Bitcoin breaking new all-time highs, especially next month, November and December, Q4, because usually Q4 in a halving year, it's a no-brainer, right? We're gonna see a skyrocket. It has done this many, many times, right? When we are in fact in Q4 in a halving year, Bitcoin skyrockets, right? So I would not be surprised if Bitcoin does break new all-time highs in the next few weeks. Okay, I would not be surprised, guys. So understand, okay, this is a very, very crucial time right now to get into Bitcoin, to pretty much go all in on Bitcoin now, guys. Okay, this is a very, very crucial time to do all of that. Okay, it really, really is. And I hope you guys are still stacking to Bitcoin, DCAing to Bitcoin, because like I said, this is a very, very crucial time right now to do all of that. Okay, it really, really is. So go all in, guys, on Bitcoin. This is obviously not financial advice. Okay, just dump your money. Just dump your money into Bitcoin. I know that sounds stupid, but like I said, this is not financial advice. But guys, just dump your money into Bitcoin. Okay, If you truly want to build wealth, just go all in on Bitcoin. Okay. And what do I mean by going all in on Bitcoin? I mean going all in on Bitcoin, guys. Like I made a video back in 2022 telling you guys that I was personally going all in on Bitcoin, right? And I invested like almost. I'm not trying to brag, but I was in one investment. I was like investing almost 20K, and I actually showed you guys that I was actually investing, almost $20,000 into Bitcoin, almost 20K, right? I think it was around almost 18,000, I believe, right at that time. So I was not lying. I was literally going all in on Bitcoin. So guys, this is a very, very crucial time right now to just stack as much Satoshis as you possibly can, okay? Because a bull run is coming, and I know, okay, you guys later on will FOMO in. If you're not buying in now, if you're not taking in action now, if you're not in the game, right, later on you will FOMO in, okay? But understand, if you're buying into Bitcoin, let's just say Bitcoin is at 100K and beyond, and you're investing into Bitcoin for long term, I don't think it's a bad idea if you guys, buy Bitcoin when it's at $100,000 or beyond, because we know, guys, Bitcoin, like I said, is a digital asset that will be worth millions of dollars one day, right? So understand, when you're investing into Bitcoin, think long term, don't think short term. Think long term, guys, right? Let's just say you want to take some profits, right, during the next bull run. Go ahead, right? But don't sell all your Bitcoins. That's what I highly recommend you guys to do. If you want to take profits, and like I said, there's nothing wrong with taking profits. Obviously, no one has gone broke taking profits. When you take profits, that's how you actually make money. I get that. But understand, guys, okay, when you're taking profits, okay, don't sell all your Bitcoins, right? If you want to take profits from your Bitcoins that you hold and whatnot, I highly recommend to not sell all of them. Keep some Bitcoins, right? Don't sell all your Bitcoins, guys. Understand that, right? Because I know a lot of people out there probably bought some Bitcoin when it was at 20K, even below 20K maybe, if you've been buying ever since 2022, because at some points, yes, we saw Bitcoin below $20,000. It was at like, what, 50K, 60K, 18K, 19K, right? We'll probably never see those prices ever again for Bitcoin, obviously, right? Even to say we'll probably never ever see Bitcoin below $50,000 at this point, right? A parabolic movement is coming, and I truly do hope you guys are ready for it, right? So understand, guys, okay, don't sell all your Bitcoins. Sell some of them, like for me personally, right? I'm not going to be selling all my Bitcoins in the next bull run. Okay, I'm obviously going to be taking my profits, especially with the altcoins that I'm holding, right? You never want to marry any altcoins, right? There are some other altcoins, okay, like for example, I'll name some, like Ethereum is obviously a big one. There's something called Solana. I say something, we all know what Solana is. We know Chainlink. Okay, you guys know I'm a huge fan of Chainlink. These altcoins, I am planning on investing in them for long term. But understand, I'm not married, okay, to these altcoins. I'm gonna take my profits, large amounts of it, right? But with Bitcoin, it's different. Okay, understand, guys. Okay, with Bitcoin, I know where it's heading long term, so I'm gonna be keeping majority of my Bitcoins. Okay, I'm not gonna be like selling all of them, guys, in the next upcoming bull run, right? But yeah, this is a very, very crucial time right now to buy as much Bitcoins as you possibly can. This is the time to like really, really go in, work overtime, get as much cash as you possibly can, and just dump it. Literally just dump it into Bitcoin, guys. No financial advice, always do your own research. But yeah, this is a very, very crucial time right now. Like, time is truly ticking, okay? And it may not feel like it right now, but yeah, a massive bull run is coming, guys. Okay, so understand, this is a very, very crucial time right now to buy as much as you possibly can. Okay, Bitcoin will potentially reach back up to above $70,000 towards the end of this month. Okay, I will not be surprised if that even happens, right? Because like I said again, we are in fact in one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin, okay, which is October, and a lot of people like to call it Optober or Pumptober, right? So I still believe this month Bitcoin will be doing some amazing things. Same with altcoins. We know alt season is obviously right around the corner. I know a lot of you guys and a lot of people out there are in fact getting into altcoins. because obviously the price is lower, you know, the market cap is much lower as well. So obviously if you're investing like $1,000, you don't want to like invest that whole thing into Bitcoin, especially if you're like trying to like make that money. People are looking for like meme coins, right? They're trying to like get in early and whatnot. I get that, right? There's a lot of different like investing strategies to do in crypto, guys, right? But for me personally, okay, I'm a basic person. I really just stick with the basics when I'm investing into crypto. I just stick with the basics, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are in fact my biggest holdings, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like, I own way more Bitcoin than Ethereum. I just want to put it out there, right? So understand, guys, okay, when I'm investing into crypto, I really just stick with the basics, which is Bitcoin and Ethereum. Obviously, I invest into other altcoins, right? But mainly it's Bitcoin. Okay, it's like 70% Bitcoin, and then 20% Ethereum, and then 10% of other random altcoins. That's just how I see it, right? And I know a lot of people out there, you know, the portfolios are much more different. Okay, you know, a lot of them maybe just have altcoins, and maybe people don't even have Bitcoins. Like, guys, comment down below if you guys are in fact investing into crypto and then you guys have no Bitcoin. Like, comment down below and let me know, because that is crazy. Like, you need some Bitcoins in your portfolio, right? You need Bitcoin, guys, trust me. Okay, so if you don't have any Bitcoin, if you mostly have like altcoins, get some Bitcoin, right? I highly recommend like your biggest holdings to be Bitcoin. Okay, but that's just me. You know, you guys can do whatever you want. I get it. Okay, a lot of people out there obviously, you know, can't really invest like more than 10K. I get that, right? And they're trying to like look for a new meme coin, trying to get in early, and then hopefully like that $100 will change into hundreds and thousands of dollars, right? But that's that. So yeah, Bitcoin right now 63K, not looking too bad. As I showed you guys before, you know, we are in fact seeing a V-shaped recovery, okay, right now for Bitcoin. So it's looking pretty good. Okay, earlier this morning we did in fact see a pump. It went all the way up to $63.4 thousand. And right now Bitcoin is pretty much consolidating. Okay, y'all should clearly see that. But yeah, yesterday we saw it dip. Okay, it went as low as 58.8, just below $59,000. So Bitcoin is obviously recovering right now. It's looking pretty good. Okay, like I said, it's like a V-shaped recovery, so it's looking pretty good right now for Bitcoin. We are in fact in the 1 hour time frame, and yeah, Bitcoin is still holding very strong at this level. Even Ethereum is looking pretty good as well. 2.4, just below 2.5. Yesterday we saw it as low as $2.3 thousand. So yeah, Ethereum has pumped pretty significantly today as well, back up at this level, $2.4 thousand, where we saw it a couple of days ago. So, you know, Ethereum's looking pretty good today as well, guys. Okay, everything today, you know, altcoins are in fact looking pretty good. Bitcoin, yeah, it's looking pretty good as well. So right now we're gonna see if Bitcoin can, okay, reach back up to like $73,000. I think there is huge potential for Bitcoin to do that. But we will see, guys. But like I said, okay, I still believe Bitcoin is still on track to do some amazing things in the next upcoming few weeks, right, for this month of October. So guys, time now to go all in on Bitcoin. All in, right? There's no second thoughts. There's no time to think about it or anything like that. This is the time to go all in on Bitcoin. Just chuck in, I don't know, $10, $50, $100, whatever you can. Just chuck it in, guys. Just put it into Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin is pumping, guys, right? And you know, if you want to do this for long term, and you should be doing this for long term, like I said many times, right? Investing into Bitcoin long term, because obviously Bitcoin has stored value, right? Just buy. Just start DCAing now if you haven't already. Okay, it's never too late. A lot of people think it's too late to, you know, DCA and buy into Bitcoin because they see the price and they think it's too late. But no, guys, it is not. Understand, like I said many times, Bitcoin is a digital asset that's going to be worth a lot of money, millions of dollars per coin one day, right? So if you really think about it right now, okay, 63K, that's not too much, right? So just think about that, guys. Okay, so think long term with Bitcoin. Like I said, don't think short term, We want to always think long term. Okay, so understand, guys, crucial time right now. Okay, bull run's about to start. I truly do hope you guys are prepared for it. I truly do hope all you guys, all my Bitcoin holders out there, all my Bitcoiners, right? Crypto investors watching this right now, I truly do hope you guys are ready for the next upcoming bull run. This next upcoming bull run will be the most epic slash biggest bull run of our lifetime. I really do believe in that. And this time is going to be different, right? A lot of money, understand, guys, a lot of money is pouring into Bitcoin. You know, we have the Bitcoin ETFs. Okay, ever since the Bitcoin ETFs have been approved, okay, earlier this year in 2024, we know a lot of these institutions, like for example BlackRock, man, they have been buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin. They have been accumulating a whole bunch of Bitcoin. They understand where Bitcoin is heading, right? Understand, guys, trillions and billions of dollars are in fact pouring into Bitcoin, right? New whales are buying into Bitcoin. So understand, guys, this next upcoming bull run, next year, 2025, will be fantastic, right? This time, it's going to be the biggest bull run of our lifetime. Understand that. Okay, and as I told you guys many times, personally, my Bitcoin price prediction for 2025, you know, the top, a lot of people are in fact wondering where the top will be for Bitcoin. And it's safe to say, you know, I truly do believe personally, and this is just my personal prediction, right? Like I said again, these are just all predictions. No one actually out there realistically really knows where the top will be for Bitcoin, right? But understand, personally, okay, I do see Bitcoin reaching at least 200K, at least, right? 200K to 250. I think these price targets are very, very possible and realistic. Even $300,000 and beyond is very, very possible as well. Now, I've seen a fair few predictions of people saying, you know, Bitcoin's going to reaching 400K to 500K. Now, as much as I am bullish on Bitcoin, I don't think personally, okay, we're going to see Bitcoin reaching 4 to 500K this bull cycle, this bull run, right? The next one, it will obviously hit that, but this one, I think beyond 300K is like the max, somewhere around there. I don't know, like 320 to like 360 max. That's just personally my opinion, right? But we will see, guys. We don't know, okay? But this is just my personal prediction, okay? Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments down below, what is your personal price prediction for Bitcoin, you know, next year, 2025? Because we know, guys, 2025 will be a fantastic year, right? Just like, you know, 2021, 2017, and even 2013, right? Those were some fantastic years for Bitcoin and crypto, right? Same thing is going to happen for next year in 2025. So next year is going to be epic, right? Everything, you guys have to understand, everything next year is going to be up in price, right? A lot of stocks, a lot of markets will pump. It's not just going to be crypto, right? Even like real estate, okay, all that's going to be crazy next year, right? Everything's going to pump, right? We have seen this happen many, many times, right? But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end tonight's stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. More videos will in fact be coming away. I just filmed a video tonight, so that will be uploaded in the next few hours. Once you're watching the stream right now, so stay tuned for that. Most likely it will come out sometime tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end tonight's stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, this is the time right now to go all in right now on Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is. Buy now before it's actually too late. Okay, buy as much as you possibly can, stack as much as you possibly can, and be prepared, right, for the next upcoming bull run that is in fact about to occur. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end tonight's stream. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I did actually just upload a short, so if you guys haven't seen that short, you should definitely check it out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give thumbs up if you haven't already, and of course subscribe to the channel, right? If you guys are in fact Bitcoiners, Bitcoin holders, definitely subscribe. If you guys are generally, you know, in the crypto space, please consider subscribing every single day. I always keep you guys updated on what's been happening with Bitcoin, what's been happening with the crypto market, what's happening on the crypto space. So if you guys are in fact, you know, crypto investors and whatnot, even traders, please consider subscribing. I would really, really appreciate that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.